Hi everyone, my name is Rishid. Today is the 15th of September 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for gold, XAU, USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review this week's prediction in more detail. Now, before getting into this video, however, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational. Therefore, it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So, we can see in the monthly charts we have been in a long uptrend for gold. We see this month has massively broke out of this sideways pattern I had drawn, which is exactly the kind of indication we need. Although the month hasn't closed yet, we see we're on pretty decent volume. If it does continue, we could be expecting a volume spike as well. So the RSI is confirming this. The MACD is definitely confirming it. Although the RSI is severely overbought, we do need to keep in mind that this is gold, right? Gold is an inflation hedge, and it's very unlikely that there's going to be a massive correction. There can be minor corrections. We see that this week it had broken out on the week of the 1st of September, and you would have made a lot of money if you had just kept your gold, kept it in this at that point. And especially when we get to the daily charts, this will become even more clear. RSI, shooting up with it as expected. MACD crossover. Very, very, very bullish indications coming from gold, and the volume spikes confirm it as well. So yeah, that's what we see with gold in the weekly charts. Moving to the daily charts, again, we see this is the day where gold broke out. If you had bought gold here, you would have made a lot of money. RSI has been confirming this entire move, and the MACD as well. So similarly, interestingly, however, volume shot up quite heavily here and then has waned off quite sharply, and we are now in another sort of consolidation. So if I actually take the time here to draw this, we see that this is sort of a new sideways zone that we're seeing. So if you draw here, pretty much this is what we're looking at. I mean, small consolidation, but that is where we are right now. So small sideways correction here. Again, we will be looking for a slightly directional view here, and we will see to it as it happens. Now, switching over to this Excel sheet, we see this week we'll buy gold if it crosses 3,656.55 and sell if it falls below 3,613.73 with a target of 2%, a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the target or stop loss is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend in this case is upwards. Actually, let me fix that. Is bullish. And the monthly trend is now bullish as well. Yes, there you go. This is correct. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.